So guys, you are going to place your bias on your buba's neck. You're going to place it at the edge and sew it through that line. You are going to make sure you follow that line, sew it round like that, place it on top of it and sew it round So now I'm through with the sewing. As you can see, it's very neat and perfect. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now, I will fold in my bias inward like this. I'll fold in my bias inward and I'll get my needle and thread ready. Make sure you use the thread that matches your fabric, and if you are doing it, make sure that the thread does not show at the front of your buba, most especially for Ankara. So if you are making use of Ankara for this tutorial, please do not let your thread to show outside the neck of your buba. It's very, very important. So by doing that, I'm picking a little piece, just a tiny piece from my lace fabric and also from my bias, that I'm going to sew it round like that. I will sew it like four step. I will sew it like four step to the front. Then after that, I will tack it down. As you can see, I hope you are seeing what I'm doing here. So I'm going to sew it like that. Pick another tiny piece from my lace. I will connect it through my bias. Then I will pull it out like that, and I will do the same thing like four steps like that. Then I'm going to tie it. I'm going to tie it in order to make sure that it's very, very firm before continuing to the rest. So guys, if you are new to my channel, you are welcome. I welcome you to Fashion Tricks. Please, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you do and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video, and like and share it among friends and family. If you find the video helpful, you can give me a very big thumbs up just to encourage me, So that is how I seal down my bias. That's how I seal it down, and I'm going to tie it. Just watch what I'm doing here. I'm going to tie it like that. Tie it like that. So like that, I will be sewing through. And here, if you want to do the finishing, just watch this part very well. You tack it beside the first one that you did. You tack it down like that, and make sure you tack it very well, so that, as you can see, you tack it very well so that it won't lose at the end of the day. So that is how to tack your bias down. That is how to do the finishing part of your buba. So if you want to watch the tutorial of this buba, I will drop the full tutorial of this buba under this video. So make sure you click on it, watch it, and give me a thumbs up, like it, share it, and also subscribe to the channel. So here I'm through with my buba's neck. As you can see, it's very neat. If you are dealing with Ankara, you can use iron to. As you can see, my thread is not showing at the neck of my buba. It's very neat and perfect. Very, very neat. You can try yours. I'm doing this for the beginners. I know most people know how to do bias. So guys, here is where I'll be stopping today's tutorial. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.